Hey, what's up guys? This is Mike with A&M. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make money cutting lawns. So basically I charge anywhere from $45 to $50 per lawn. Today I'm going to do 5 lawns, but if you keep on the same pace that I have in this video, you can make anywhere from $500 a day cutting lawns by yourself. So guys, I'm just going to show you right now the little setup I got. A 5x8 trailer, the mower, 0 turn. People prefer the stand-ups or whatever. It's just really your preference. Then over here, I just got a leaf blower, weed whacker, an edger, and my gas and oil. So last year I had about 70 lawns and I was cutting those all by myself. So this year I'm down to 5 lawns because last year was just overkill and I was mowing 3 to 4 days a week, every week. At the time I was doing 5 to 15 lawns per day and making anywhere from like $250 to $750 a day. So really, if you get 15 lawns, you know, that's $750. So all you have to do is cut those 15 lawns in a week and you'll make more than you probably made, you know, at a normal job. Even if you only do 3 lawns a day times 5 days, that's 15 lawns a week. So definitely something, if you want to be self-employed, it's easy to do. I started off with 2 push mowers and just, you know, normal weed whacker and edger and a leaf blower. And if you have like $1,000 worth of equipment, which you can make back in your first week pretty much. So that's just something to think about. And now I'm gonna get to it and show you how I cut these lawns. Hey guys, I just got to the first property and I'm just gonna kind of show you how I would approach it. This is the first time we're cutting for this customer. And I'm not gonna show you all 5 lawns because I just feel like that's overkill. I'm just gonna show you this lawn. It probably is gonna take me like 15 to 20 minutes from start to finish. So you just repeat this process 5 times. That's what I'm gonna do today. Or if you wanna make more money, do it 10 times, whatever. You know, you can cut as many lawns as you feel like cutting. There's some days, you know, you only want to cut 3 to 4 lawns and you're like, oh, I don't want to cut lawns anymore, I'll cut the rest of them tomorrow. But here we go. I'm going to show you exactly how I would approach this lawn. All right, so the first thing I would do is edge. I just come through with my edger and edge along this line. Their line's pretty good already, so there's not much prep work there. And then after that, you can either start weed whacking or you can start mowing, whatever you prefer. Some people prefer weed whacking first. I'm by myself, so if I had a guy with me, he would just be weed whacking while I weed whacked. But that's not the case today. It's springtime here and these flowers look really pretty right now. But now we're gonna go to the backyard. She also has this tree blooming, and I like this house because it's right on this pond. If you're gonna cut lawn anywhere, it might as well be next to a pond, in my opinion. And they have a little sticker in their yard, so that means they got their lawn treated this year, so that's always good. But yeah, so I'm gonna probably come in through here and just cut all this grass and then leaf blow everything, and that'll be the whole video. Now I'm just gonna start cutting and weed whacking and leaf blowing and all that, and then I'll come back and talk to you guys in a minute. So guys, I was out here making a video and a guy just pulled up. He's got 2 houses right down the street here and he wants to get those 2 houses mowed. So as far as starting a lawn business, I started with 5 lawns, and just being out here mowing, I got 2 more lawns. And I told him I don't really want to take on any more lawns, but I'm on the same street, so I might as well do it. But that just shows that as long as you're out here working, you just can talk to people, you can get lawns pretty easily. I'm gonna start off by just edging their yard. So in total, that took about 15 seconds. Now, as you can see, the edge still needs to be cleaned up a little bit. I'm gonna take the weed whacker along that edge and it'll clean it up perfect. But next we're gonna get on the mower and just mow down everything. All right, guys, that literally took, I don't know, 10 minutes to do. As you can see in the video, I picked up a bunch of stuff, so that's another thing. If you have another guy, you know, maybe make them walk through and pick up everything in the yard before you start mowing. There was big rocks and stuff. This mower can really shoot these rocks and it could cause damage, but you know, I can just stop the mower and pick it up as I go as well. But there's still some stuff in the yard, but I'll just leaf blow that stuff over here. They have an area that's, you know, just leaves and stuff, so we'll make it look nice. But realistically, the grass is all mowed down. I just got to come back with the weed whacker, so that's what I'm about to do next. Oh, sneezing after that. Always should probably wear a mask as well. As you can see, I got customers that aren't too picky, so I don't even care. I just run over their dog poop, and obviously it's in my tires. But now we're going to start weed whacking, and you also don't want to forget your safety glasses. Well, it was very dusty, as you can see, and I didn't wear a mask, so that was my own fault. But we got the safety glasses here, about to put those on and start weed whacking. I'm gonna start off by weed whacking the edge like I spoke about earlier, then we're gonna just do the rest of the yard. That didn't take very long, another 10 seconds, and look how good that edge looks now. So now I'm just gonna go through and cut the rest of the yard with the weed whacker. Another tip for that is don't have the throttle on too much when you're doing that. There's a lot of stones and stuff in there, and you don't want those to go flying, so you just barely press the throttle and it'll make that nice clean line. So let's get to weed whacking the rest of this yard. All right, so it looks 100 times better. They actually have, when this water gets high, they get trash that comes up on that area, but I actually do not pick that up. That HOA will actually send somebody out to pick that up, so I don't have to do that. Some people say, well, you can just pick it up, you know, to be nice or whatever, but she literally told me don't pick it up. She wants the HOA to do it because she pays that fee. But yeah, we just cleared about around the pond, right down there a little bit. We don't do that every time either because that doesn't really grow as much as the normal grass, but I think overall it all looks good. There is a lot of weed whacking at this one, so not every lawn's gonna be like this, but this one in particular just is a lot of weed whacking. I don't know what happened here, but those birds love that pole, you know what I mean? All right, so now we are going to leaf blow everything. So yeah, guys, anybody can do this. I know this job took me a little longer than I originally said, but still, I could cut. The other 4 are actually way easier. I just decided to do this one because it had a pond in the background. But anybody can start a business, and if you want to see more videos like this or need any more helpful tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and we'll see you next time.